Hello, am I audible to all of you? Hello, hello, am I audible to all of you? Hello,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. कैसे हो तुम लोग? ठीक हो ना? हेलो.
Yes, sir. हम लोग ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
तो मैं भी ठीक हूँ. तुम लोग भी ठीक से रहो, ठीक है? और ज्यादा बाहर मत निकलो. सैनिटाइजर और मास्क का यूज करो, ठीक है? Okay. So very good afternoon to all of you. Myself Saptarshi Sarkar. I am from Electrical Engineering Department in Jumta Engineering College. So very good afternoon to all of you. Today we are going to perform in virtual lab our next experiment, and that is open circuit and short circuit test of transformer. I think your theory class, all of you have already read this topic, open circuit and short circuit test of transformer. And today we will going to perform analysis and discuss the theory, and also we will perform the practical this test on the virtual lab. First we are going to discuss about some theory, so that we can have a clear deep idea about the experiment. So first we have discussed about the open circuit test of transformer. So what is open circuit test, and why we are using this type of open circuit or short circuit test? So basically, we have to, when we need to obtain the efficiency and voltage regulation of the transformer, when we need to obtain the find out the efficiency of the transformer or voltage regulation of the transformer, then we are using this, or using this experiment, or when we are need to know the losses of the transformer, then we are conduct this test. Okay, so first we are discuss about the open circuit test. So listen to me very carefully. In the copy you have seen a circuit diagram. Okay, this is the circuit diagram of the open circuit test. So in the circuit diagram, there is a transformer is there, because we are conducting this test on the transformer. Open circuit and short circuit test is also conducted in the induction motor in the various machine. But in here, one transformer is there. Okay. So in the transformer, you can clearly see two sides are here: low voltage side and high voltage side. Low voltage side is LV and high voltage side is HV. Okay. And remember, listen to me very carefully. First, we are discussing about the open circuit test of the transformer. So here is the transformer. High voltage side is kept open. You can clearly see high voltage side is kept open when we conduct the test of the open circuit test of the transformer. After later, I will tell why we are kept open in this side. Okay, and in the primary side, which is low voltage side, in the primary side, first we give the supply. This is the supply. Okay, after the supply, one auto transformer is there. Okay, after the supply, one auto transformer is there. Why we are using auto transformer? Can anyone tell me why we are using auto transformer? Hello, why we are using auto transformer here? We are using auto transformer here because we need to control the voltage. That means if the voltage is 230 volt, then using this auto transformer, we can vary the input voltage of that input voltage. Okay. After the auto transformer, we are connecting a voltmeter here. Okay, in the low voltage side, and also a wattmeter is here. Okay, in the primary side, that is low voltage side, and ammeter is there. Okay, that is the thing we are added in the primary side, that is the low voltage side. One thing you have to must remember, that when we are conducting the open circuit test, then we are connecting all the equipment, that is voltmeter, wattmeter, ammeter. We are connecting all the things in the low voltage side. हम लोग कुछ भी जो भी हम लोग ओपन सर्किट टेस्ट हम लोग जो कंडक्ट करेंगे, तो इसको हम लोग लो वोल्टेज साइड में करेंगे. ठीक है, एंड हाई वोल्टेज साइड को हम लोग केप ओपन. यू कैन क्लियरली सी हाई वोल्टेज साइड को हम लोग केप ओपन रखेंगे. अभी क्वेश्चन आता है क्यों रखेंगे. फर्स्ट हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये तो हो गया सर्किट डायग्राम. दिस इज द ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट द सर्किट एंड हाउ वी परफॉर्म दिस टेस्ट. फर्स्ट हम लोग क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट rated voltage is applied. Okay, first we have to apply the rated voltage here. Okay, when we are applying the rated voltage here, okay, but high voltage side is kept open. A no load current is flowing in the primary side. Okay, a no load current is flowing in the primary side also. Okay, एक प्राइमरी साइड में क्या होगा, नो लोड करंट फ्लो होगा एंड एक कोर लॉसेस. ओके, एंड द स्मॉल नो लोड करंट I0, इधर में तुम लोग देख रहे हो, स्मॉल नो लोड करंट व्हेन वी आर गिविंग द सप्लाई इन द लो वोल्टेज साइड, देन a small no load current I0 is flowing on the primary side. This is the I0. Okay, and no load current is very small. इस करंट, ये जो करंट फ्लो हो रहा है लो वोल्टेज साइड में, ये करंट का वैल्यू क्या होगा, वेरी स्मॉल होगा. ओके, बहुत कम होगा. यूजुअली इट इज बिटवीन 2 to 5% ऑफ द फुल लोड प्राइमरी करंट. ओके, अगर प्राइमरी करंट मान लो, प्राइमरी करंट अगर मान लो 20 एम्पियर हुआ तो इसका 2 to 5%, 20 एम्पियर बहुत ज्यादा मैंने बोल दिया, तो प्राइमरी करंट जितना होगा, अगर 20 एम्पियर होगा, इसका 2 to 5% करंट इधर से फ्लो होगा. ठीक है. ओके, एंड it have only the core losses, it have only the core loss component here. Okay, so that is the open circuit test. and जैसे हम लोग वोल्टेज, वाटेज एंड करंट, इसका जो कंपोनेंट है, इसका जो रीडिंग है, ये हम लोग को मिल जाएगा. ओके, एंड दिस द ओपन सर्किट टेस्ट. एंड ओपन सर्किट टेस्ट में हम लोग को याद रखना होगा, ओपन सर्किट टेस्ट हम लोग लो वोल्टेज साइड में करेंगे और हाई वोल्टेज साइड को हम लोग ओपन रखेंगे. ओके, एंड ये जो करंट इधर पर फ्लो हो रहा है, देखो I0 करंट, इट इज द नो लोड करंट. ओके, नो लोड करंट दैट इज फ्लोइंग ऑन द लो वोल्टेज साइड. एंड और एक चीज, कोर लॉस. ट्रांसफार्मर में दो लॉस होता है. वन, क्या क्या लॉस होता है, कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट इज द लॉसेस इन ऑकर इन द ट्रांसफार्मर? टू लॉस ऑकर इन द ट्रांसफार्मर, दैट इज द कोर लॉस एंड अनदर इज द कॉपर लॉस. एंड एक चीज हमें हमेशा याद रखना कि कोर लॉस is depends upon the voltage and copper loss depends upon the current. तो प्राइमरी साइड में क्या हो रहा है, इस प्राइमरी साइड में I square R, ये जो लॉस है, इट इज नेग्लिजिबल because the current of the current is flowing, the percent of the current is flowing very minimal. Okay, ट्रांसफार्मर में दो लॉस होता है, कोर लॉस एंड द कॉपर लॉस. द कोर लॉस बेसिकली डिपेंड्स अपॉन द वोल्टेज एंड कॉपर लॉस डिपेंड्स अपॉन द current. But each primary side is, that is the, when we are conducting the open circuit test, the primary side loss I square R loss, ठीक है, ये लॉस क्या होगा, ये दैट इज वेरी नेग्लिजिबल. क्यों नेग्लिजिबल होगा, क्योंकि ये जो करंट का जो कंपोनेंट है, करंट जो फ्लो हो रहा है, ये बहुत ही नेग्लिजिबल हो रहा है. ठीक है, क्योंकि 2 to 5% ऑफ द फुल लोड करंट, 2%, इट इज द वेरी मिनिमम परसेंटेज. ओके, so cause the value of the I is very small, the value of the I is very small. So that is the brief introduction of open circuit test. Okay, now come to the short circuit test. That is the circuit diagram of the short circuit test. Okay, in the short circuit test, we are performing the short circuit test in the high voltage side. Okay, and the low voltage side, we क्या करेंगे, हम low voltage side को short कर देंगे. Okay, okay, so that is the circuit diagram of the short circuit test. In the short circuit test, what happens? First, here is the supply here. Okay, it is the supply. After that, one auto transformer is here. Okay, and after the auto transformer, one ammeter is in the connecting. We are connecting the ammeter in the series. After that, one wattmeter is there, and wattmeter is there, and also voltmeter is there in the connecting the voltmeter in the parallel. Okay, and one transformer is there, and we are connecting all the equipment in the high voltage side, and low voltage side we are short circuit the low voltage side. It is the low voltage side, we are shorting the low voltage side. And so in the short circuit test, what we have do, we have just short the output side or the low voltage side. It is, we must the short the output or the low voltage side must be shorted. Okay, and short circuit current is flowing. Okay, short circuit current is flowing, and also here voltage is decreased 2 to 12%. Here voltage is also decreased by 2 to 12%, and core loss also decreased. Okay, तो इधर पर शॉर्ट सर्किट में क्या हो रहा है, शॉर्ट सर्किट में हम लोग जब लो वोल्ट हाई वोल्टेज साइड से प्राइमरी को हम लोग हाई वोल्टेज साइड से हम लोग कनेक्ट हम लोग ये परफॉर्मेंस को करेंगे तो क्या होगा, हाई वोल्टेज होगा, तो हाई वोल्टेज इधर पर होगा तो करंट का जो वैल्यू होगा, करंट का वैल्यू क्या होगा, बहुत मिनिमम मिनिमम होगा। अगर करंट का वैल्यू बहुत मिनिमम होगा तो इधर पर जो एमीटर है, ये जो मीटर आर कनेक्टेड, इसलिए हम लोग उस पर रीडिंग ले पाएंगे। अगर हम लोग इसको अगर हाई वोल्टेज लो वोल्टेज साइड में भी इसको कनेक्ट करेंगे ऑल द इक्विपमेंट, देन द रीडिंग आर सेम, देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन द रीडिंग, बट द मेन फैक्टर इज टू द मीटर। ठीक है, तो मीटर को हम लोग जब हाई वोल्टेज लो वोल्टेज साइड में करेंगे तो करंट का जो वैल्यू है वो बहुत, करंट का जो हम लोग हाई अमाउंट ऑफ करंट को हम लोग मेजर करने के लिए हम लोग के पास मीटर मे बी नॉट हैव दैट मीटर, दैट मीटर मैंने मीटर से हम लोग मेजर कर पाएंगे, उससे मीटर हम लोग के पास नहीं है। इसीलिए जो जब हम इसको हाई वोल्टेज साइड में करेंगे तो क्या होगा, जो करंट का वैल्यू बहुत मिनिमम होगा। ओके, शॉर्ट सर्किट करंट एंड द मिनिमम अमाउंट ऑफ करंट वी कैन इजीली measure this amount of current using our meter. Okay, so current is here, current is full rated current is flowing in the high voltage. Here the full rated current is flowing, and the secondary side started shorted, so we get both the I square and losses. Okay, so हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इधर पर हम लोग प्राइमरी साइड का भी आई स्क्वायर एंड सेकेंडरी साइड का भी आई स्क्वायर, दोनों लॉसेस हम लोग को मिल जाएगा। क्यों क्यों मिलेगा, क्योंकि प्राइमरी साइड में तो करंट फ्लो हो रहा है, आई स्क्वायर लॉस मिलेगा, एंड सेकेंडरी साइड का भी, सेकेंडरी साइड जो लो वोल्टेज साइड है ये भी शॉर्ट किया हुआ है, तो इसका भी आई स्क्वायर आर हम लोग को लॉस मिल जाएगा। ओके, and also applied voltage is less than, here some point we have to remember in the short circuit test, and that is applied voltage is less than 2 to 12% of the rated voltage। जो applied voltage है 2 to 12% of the rated voltage ये हम लोग को अप्लाई करना होगा। ठीक है, सेकेंड पॉइंट, cold loss is very small, here cold loss is very small, and it has only the I square and losses, here only we have the I square and losses here. These 3 points we must remember in the short circuit test of the transformer. Okay, that is the theory part, and that is the circuit diagram of this experiment. That is the short circuit test circuit diagram, and here it is the open circuit test circuit diagram. Okay, I think we have cleared the brief idea about the open circuit test and short circuit test. Basically हम लोग के open circuit preliminary तुम लोग ये आइडिया रखना कि ओपन सर्किट टेस्ट हम लोग लो वोल्टेज साइड में करते हैं और शॉर्ट सर्किट टेस्ट हम लोग हाई वोल्टेज साइड में करते हैं। ठीक है, नाउ वी हैव क्लियर द ब्रीफ आइडिया, एंड वी आल्सो सी द सर्किट ऑफ द ओपन सर्किट टेस्ट एंड शॉर्ट सर्किट टेस्ट। नाउ वी आर go to the IIT virtual lab so that we can perform this experiment. Okay, okay. Hello. Is my computer screen visible to all of you? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Hello, is my computer screen visible? Hello, can you see the?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first we have to perform the open circuit test of the transformer. Okay. So you guys tell me, you already see the circuit diagram of the open circuit test, and so you guys tell me how we connect all the equipment. First, I elaborate all the equipment we have. We have in the simulation with simulation user interface. One MCB is there, one two pole MCB is there. Okay, and one voltmeter, one ammeter, and one wattmeter is there, and one auto transformer is there, transformer and voltmeter is there. First, we are going to perform the open circuit test of the transformer. You guys tell me how we connect, design the circuit. First, what we have to do? You already see the circuit diagram. Already discuss about discuss the circuit. Okay. First, what we have to do? First, we have to give the supply to the auto transformer, right? Yes or no? Hello. First,
Yes, sir.
we have to give the supply to the auto transformer. We just design this as the circuit diagram. In the circuit diagram में जैसा था हम लोग वैसे डिजाइन करेंगे. Okay. After we are giving the supply to the auto transformer, what we have to do? हम लोग ओपन सर्किट में क्या करेंगे? हाई वोल्टेज साइड को क्या करेंगे? ओपन रखेंगे या शॉर्ट रखेंगे? ओपन सर्किट टेस्ट में हाई वोल्टेज साइड को क्या करेंगे? ओपन रखेंगे या शॉर्ट रखेंगे? क्या करेंगे बोलो?
ओपन रखें।
ओपन रखेंगे. ओके. सो हम लोग ओपन रखेंगे तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? एक वोल्टमीटर को ऐड कर देंगे. ओके. अगर वोल्टमीटर को ऐड करेंगे तो उसको ओपन ही रहेगा. ठीक है. तो वोल्टमीटर हम लोग ऐड कर देंगे so that we can measure the open circuit. ओके. तो वोल्टमीटर को ऐड कर दिए और हाई वोल्टेज साइड है इसको हम लोग ओपन कर दिए. इसमें कुछ शॉर्ट नहीं है. ओके. After that, what we have to do? We have to give the output of the input में हम लोग ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर के इनपुट में हम लोग सप्लाई दे दिए और आउटपुट ऑफ द ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर मस्ट कनेक्ट टू द सर्किट. ओके. सो आउटपुट one terminal of the auto transformer must connect to the transformer. Okay. So first terminal of the auto transformer must connect to the transformer. Okay. And also we have to have the one connection. We have to give the voltmeter. Okay. And after that, the other terminal of the auto transformer we must give the connection to the voltmeter. Okay. So this voltmeter you can clearly see we connect the voltmeter in the parallel. Okay. We connect the voltage in the parallel so that we can find out the voltage, supply voltage. Okay. After that, we have to connect another ammeter. So we have to connect the ammeter from the second terminal of the auto transformer. Okay. We have to connect the wattmeter. Okay. So now we have to connect the wattmeter. So ammeter first terminal is connecting. You have to connect this terminal to the end of the wattmeter. Okay. There are two coils there, MNCV. Okay. Current coil and voltage coil in the wattmeter. And C and L must be shorted. Okay. C and L must be shorted. Okay. And we have to connect the B terminal of the wattmeter to the secondary side of the transformer. Okay. Secondary P2 to B. Okay. And also we have to connect the primary side of the transformer to the line of the wattmeter. Primary side of the transformer to the line of the wattmeter. Our circuit is completed. Now we have to check if the circuit is right or wrong. Yes, our circuit is completed and it is right. Now what we have to do, our circuit is completed for the open circuit test of the transformer. Now we just give to the supply of this panel. Okay, we must on the LCD. Okay, and we just set the auto transformer. First we have to give supply to the LCD and set the auto transformer. Okay, now you can see voltmeter, all the meter are showing a reading here. Okay, all the meter are showing some reading here, so uh, we can measure all the measure, note down all the reading. Okay, so first add to the table, and now we have the reading. Okay, POC, open circuit wattage, open circuit current, and open circuit voltage. Okay, so here we give to the full, here we give the full rated voltage here. So the voltage you can clearly see what we have to get, 230 volt. We have to get 230 volt here. Current is 0.9 ampere. Okay, current is very small. I have to already discuss about in the theory that in the open circuit test of the transformer, we give rated voltage. That's why we get the VOC is the 230 volt, but the current is very minimum, 2 to 5% of the full load primary current. So that is the 2%, 2 to 5% of the full load current here, and also we get the wattage, that is 50. Okay. Okay. So that is the our. Hello, is my voice is audible to all of you? Hello. Okay. So the wattage we get from the open circuit test of the transformer is 50. Short open circuit current is 0.9 ampere and voltage is 230 volt. Is there any confusion, or is there any doubt? Hello. Hello. Is my voice is audible to all of you?
No, sir.
Okay. So if is there no doubt, then we must go to our next experiment, and that is short circuit test of the transformer. Okay. Okay. First we have to reset all the things. Okay. Now we have to design the short circuit in our given experimental panel. Okay. So how we design the short circuit? How we conduct the short circuit test? How we design the circuit for the short circuit? You guys tell me. We already discussed the short circuit theory portion. We already discussed about the circuit and also the brief theory. How we design the short circuit, so that we can perform the short circuit test of the transformer. तो शॉर्ट सर्किट टेस्ट में हम लोग क्या करेंगे? इन द शॉर्ट सर्किट टेस्ट, okay, time is running out. If the meeting is off automatically, then please join again using the same link. Okay, so in the short circuit test, what we have to do, we have to connect all the circuit in the high voltage side, and in the low voltage side we must short the low voltage side. Okay, is that clear? Now we should design the circuit. Okay, so in the short circuit test, first we short the terminal, secondary terminal of the transformer. First हम लोग शॉर्ट कर लेंगे सेकेंडरी साइड को, ठीक है? सेकेंडरी साइड को मैंने पहले शॉर्ट कर दिया, ठीक है? फर्स्ट the rest of the circuit is we have to connect to the high voltage side. Okay, first we give the supply to the auto transformer. First we give the supply to the auto transformer, and output of the auto transformer we give to the rest of the circuit. Okay. Now the first terminal of the auto transformer is connecting. First we have to connect a voltmeter in parallel, right? So we have to connect a voltmeter in parallel with the auto transformer so that we can find out the supply voltage. Okay. First connect a voltmeter in parallel. Okay. The first terminal I have to connect from auto transformer, and second terminal I also connect from the auto transformer. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to connect the first terminal of the auto transformer to the transformer T2. Okay. Now the same as the previous, we have to connect the ammeter here. So the second terminal of the auto transformer is connecting to the ammeter, and also the other terminal of the ammeter is connecting to the in of the wattmeter. Okay, and obviously C and L, these two terminals are shorted in the wattmeter, and the P1 and P2 are open. So we connect the P1 of the transformer to the uh, L terminal of the wattmeter, and we connect the P2 of the auto transformer connecting to the P terminal of the wattmeter. So I think our circuit is completed. First, we have to check the circuit. It is right or correct or not. Okay. First, we have to check something wrong is there. Please see the circuit. Is there anything wrong? Please tell me. I also check the circuit. Checking the circuit. So the circuit is absolutely correct. Circuit is correct, but somehow it is showing this is the wrong connection. Circuit is correct. Again, I am the last time I the circuit. Okay. One last time we can reset all the circuit, reset this thing and connect again. Is there any other simulation for this? There are, I think there are only one simulation for the both the test. I can check again. No, there are one simulation is there for open circuit and short circuit test. I think they give only one simulation for the open circuit test, and they did not give the short circuit simulation for the short circuit test. It's no problem. We just one last time we just connected the circuit and check, because in the heading you can clearly see determination of transformer equivalent circuit from open circuit test. So I think the short circuit test simulation is not here. No problem. And again connecting the circuit from last time. Connection is right, but they are showing the wrong connection. I think the simulation is there. Do not need the simulation for the short circuit test. Please complete the connection first. You already connected. Please wait for 1 minute. The connection is okay, but they did not. I think they did not give the simulation for the short circuit test. Okay, so that's it for the open circuit and short circuit test. We already, if we sort out this problem, you do not worry. If we sort out this problem, simulation problem of the short circuit test, then we continue it with the next class. Is there any problem till now? Is there any problem of the open circuit test and the short circuit test? शॉर्ट सर्किट का सर्किट हम लोग एकदम सही किए हैं, ठीक है। अगर सिमुलेशन में ये जो सिमुलेशन यूजर इंटरफेस हम लोग को दिया गया है, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, रॉन्ग कनेक्शन दिखा रहा है, कनेक्शन एकदम सही है, ठीक है। I think they are do not give the simulation for the short circuit test. Okay, because अगर ये short circuit test होता, सिमुलेशन देते तो इधर पर वोल्ट मीटर नहीं रहता। ये नीचे जो तुम लोग वोल्ट मीटर देख रहे हो, ये वोल्ट मीटर नहीं देता। क्योंकि also I check the theory portion of this lab and they are मैंने उधर पर ये वोल्ट मीटर नहीं था short circuit test में, so they did not give the simulation for the short circuit test, or maybe they are uploading it, or there is any problem. Okay, is there any problem till now? Hello, hello, is there any problem till now? Milan, hello, hello.
No, sir.
Okay, so that's it for today. If you sort out this problem, we can continue with the review our class in the next. Okay, okay, thank you.